Hey everybody, this is Shadows of Misfortune. I got 2 new knives today. Sorry if the camera's kind of shaky and I can only use one hand because my tripod, I don't have that little plate that you screw your camera onto, so I can't use my tripod. I had to find that little thing. This is the Super Tinker. This is the Recruit. This is called the Microlight. It came with the Recruit. And these are Simmons. Here, let me set the camera down for a second, sorry. Simmons SCL 1156 8x21 binoculars that came with the Super Tinker, and the Microlight and the Recruit came together. That came in this package. As you can see, I got it for $4.98. I thought that was a steal, so I got that. And then I got the Super Tinker and the Simmons 8x21 binoculars in this package for $6.74. Thought that was big time steal. It says regularly $34.99, which I think maybe a little bit overpriced, but it's at Target, so yeah. And then I also picked up this little mini light. It's pretty bright for the size. It's a LED. It has little tiny batteries, you know, the little lithium or whatever they are batteries. That was like $1.64 or something like that. It's a Eddie Bauer branded, whatever that is. And then both of them came with this Victorinox little guide. And the one came with the Simmons binocular instructions. So the Recruit with Microlight says everyday 10 function pocket tool. It says 4 functions for the Microlight. It says high power, low power, strobe, and signal, which is pretty cool. And then the Recruit has a large blade, small blade can opener with small screwdriver, bottle opener with large screwdriver, wire stripper, key ring, tweezers, and toothpick. And then the Super Tinker has the large blade, small blade, Phillips screwdriver, can opener with small screwdriver, also for Phillips screws, bottle opener with large screwdriver, wire stripper, reamer, key ring, tweezers, toothpick, scissors, multi-purpose hook, parcel carrier is what it's also called. Then the binoculars say Simmons binocular, 8 times power magnification, 21mm objective lens, 372 foot field view at 1,000 yards, fully coated lenses, rubber covered for protection. So yeah, $6.74 for a Super Tinker and some binoculars, and that's a pile of crap. And $4.98 for the Recruit and the little light. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day.